Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to read chapter number 6, that is a poem Elephant versus Insect. First, we will understand about the difficult word meaning. First one is trampled, it means crushed underfoot. Second, scuttled, moved quickly. Mystified, it means puzzle, difficult word. Now this is the very interesting poem Elephants versus Insects. So I am going to read this poem and you all read with me and try to understand the meaning of this interesting poem. Does size really matter because of elephant and small insect? What happens when elephants and insects play a game of football? It's very interesting and very difficult to understand the big animal elephant and very small insect to play each other, and the elephant and the insect came out to play a match. They camped in the jungle till they cleared a title page. They sculpted round and trumpeted, just glad to be alive until the half time whistle, when the score was 15 and 5. It means 15 for elephant and 5 for point for insect. So they all play on the ground in the little pitch and they are scalded. Scalded means move quickly. They are all struggle to be win. Second stanza. The insect in the second half brought on a substitute, a modest little centipede, but brother could he shoot. He ran around on all his legs beneath the tropic sun, and by the time he did finished well, the insect they had won. So it's a very amazing thing that insect very near about the winning match. Oh, tell us, said the elephant were mystified indeed. Why wait until the second half to play the centipede? What's easy? Cried the insect as they cried off the cup. He need an hour to short his boots and tie his laces up. This sweet poem written by Alan Alberg. Alan Arberg. It is the nature poet written on the nature. So this is very interesting poem about elephants versus insects. So my dear students, read this poem and try to understand. First, remember all the difficult words and summary of this poem. I will send in the PDF form solution of this poem, difficult word summary and question answers. Thank you. Goodbye.